Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be showing you an easy way to delete hidden temp files and junk files from your device. Firstly, you press the Windows key and the arrow key on your keyboard. It will take you to a run menu. Then you type in the temp on the box there. Then hit OK. It takes you to a folder where that is full of temporary files. You select all and delete. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel if you're here to, and give us a thumbs up on the video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Thank you. Then hit your delete button, delete permanently. The ones that refuse to delete, just click skip. Maybe those ones are important. That's why they are still there. And boom, we're done. You've created enough space and deleted files, junk files that are hidden, that have been occupying space on your device. Thank you for watching up to this point. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and drop your comment below this video. And also, see you in our next video. Bye.